I am Vanshi Agarwal. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's of Management Studies from Shaheed Sukhdev College of Business Studies, and I'm in my final year of graduation. I got a 97.84 in my CAT. So I started my CAT preparation in Jan 2021. My CAT preparation, in my CAT, the challenges that I face, so I have always been weak in my verbal section. So IMS helped me a lot with the not only my verbal section but like overall journey, because I can always go and talk to the teachers, talk to the mentors in on a one-to-one basis. So there are at times you get low scores, like I got score low as 40. So at that time I was really disappointed with me, and then the teachers and the mentors at IMS, they told me that that's not the end of the day, and what matters is that what you do on that particular day, the D-Day that we call. So that gave me the motivation to work hard. So my teachers always used to tell me that mocks or these tests are only beneficial when you analyze them properly. So I came here for my own. That time, like 2-3 years back, when I selected IMS, was that the batch sizes are really small, and I'll get to get a one-on-one interaction with the teachers. It will be really comfortable and easy for me, and will not have to be not travel a lot and all that. So that was my reasons for selecting IMS then. But now, after having experienced the journey with IMS for those 2 years, I think it goes way beyond that. So the teachers, the mentors, the support, the material, I mean the IMS portal, it is way better than I think any other exams that I've prepared for or given. So I think the support through the online portal and the facility network that they provide, it's really amazing. Other than that, I think the main thing was the offline classes. So even during this pandemic, the offline classes really helped a lot. I always believe that offline classes are way better than online. And IMS Faridabad is I think like one of the few institutes that provided with the offline classes. So that is one of the plus point, definitely. Piece of advice from my side would be to be consistent with your studies, to never get demotivated with a bad CAT score. Everybody gets a bad CAT score, mock test, I would say, mock score.